cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Abia kwenu, oe. Anambra kwenu, oe. Ebonyi kwenu, oe. Enugu kwenu, oe. Imo kwenu, oe. Nigeria kwezuono. Hello, friends, loved ones, and families. I welcome you once again to my Igbo segment. This is your host, Mr. B.O. or Mazi B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and teacher of Igbo language, culture, and traditions, including general issues that affect our lives in society, the lives of the Igbo as a tribe, the lives of the non-Igbo, that is the lives of other tribes, including general public. All right. So the other time we talked about some very popular Igbo delicacies, and soups. When I say popular, they really are popular because you hear them here and there. Not just the Igbo are the ones that savor them. Other non-Igbo people enjoy these delicacies and soups. All right, today I'm going to teach you how these soups and delicacies are prepared. I mean the ones I taught the other time, how they are prepared, brought in the form of being to be ready to be consumed. Okay. All right. Now we start with oba or baka. Yeah, the oba or baka, like I told you the other time. Oba is oil bean. That's what the English people call oba, and we call oil bean oba in Igbo language. Okay, this oba, after they have been harvested, the oba seeds, they grow in the bush. After they have been harvested, they are allowed, to kind of get a little bit drier than they were, or rather than they were. So once they are ready, they are cooked. When they are cooked, after being cooked, they are processed with my mother, has that handy or hand instrument that is used. Some use knives, knives and bits of thick wood where they will place the oba, and use the knife. The knives are usually very sharp. Knives for oba or baka are not used for other items in the kitchen or other kitchen items. The knives are specially made and kept for cutting of the oba or the baka. So such knives are brought and used to slice the baka in such a form. You see them, So they are now processed by being cooked a little bit, removed and poured into what is it called? Basket, where the water in them will get off them. They will now become dry before they are tied, in leaves. They are tied in leaves, and kept to ferment. So when they have fermented, they are now being brought outside. When they have fermented, now they are being prepared for public or human consumption. So you use oil and something that tastes like potash. Potash these days potash is no longer used because of the medical implications they have. So people run away from potash these days. So we use palm frond when the seeds have been harvested. The other one is burned. When it's burned, the ash is stored somewhere and added water. So it's the water now that forms what potash does. So it's being used to do the obaka. You understand? So very, very delicious. That's how it's done. I told you right from how it's processed to how it's being done and ready for human consumption. All right. Okay, now this is really, really salivating. I'm even thinking about traveling on an emergency to just go and have a taste of that. Tell mama to do some for me. Don't mind me. I hope you want to join me when I'm traveling. If at all I'll be traveling. Well, I wouldn't know for now. Okay, now the other one is abacha ojiakpo. Abacha ojiakpo, as I told you, is byproduct of cassava. So once they have been some cassava tubers have been harvested, cooked, and processed with a kind of um, knife, or the kind of, if it's the scissor, use a kind of hand instrument to do that one, to form the scissor shape. Then if it's the one that usually makes people call it abacha, then it's knife, used to cut it in pieces in one form. That's very, very admirable. Okay, now when the cassava, like tubers have been cooked and they prepared in such a manner, they are now put in clean water. The following day, they are washed. You use clean water to wash them. Remove all the acidic contents in the water, then pour fresh one. Then they are ready for consumption. The tapioca. Okay. Now, it's from there you can prepare what people will eat with oil. You can prepare abacha. Either the one in form of sisa. That's those tiny ones that look like worms, or the ones that are a bit broader, broader than the slim ones. Use oil, then pepper, fresh pepper, then salt. And it's not harmful to the health, just a quantity of salt that will be okay. Then, and the potash. The potash is not the one I said the other time that is not good for health. Is this one from the head, palm fruit's head. Now, after the seeds have been harvested, you can now burn them, use the ash to, put water in the ash, then use the water to form what potash usually gives us. All right, so now you use that that potash system from the palm head to mix with water to kind of form a thickener, where you now add your abacha, and pronto is done and ready for consumption. You can add hard skin, oporoko, that is stockfish, some dry fish like mangala to kind of spice it up. Then people will come around to kind of serve this all important Igbo delicacy. Wow. All right, then ofen sala. Ofen sala is nothing, just as I told, it's nothing but just soup. It's from Anambra, that's where it's originated. It's originated from Anambra State in Igbo land. Then the ofen sala is cooked without leaves, where there are so many assortments of fish that are used to prepare ofen sala. Then some people will add a kind of seasoning, seasoning that's called ogiri. So to kind of sort of using cubes, to kind of give it a unique taste that makes it local and inviting as well. So that's it. Then it's usually watery. That's what I wanted to remember. It's watery. It's not that thick, because no thickener is used to make it thick. Okay, so you use a spoon. That's where it kind of sends you to cloud nine. When you use spoon when you roll your bolus, use spoon to take the content, the watery content, to kind of douse down the bolus. Then when you eat, now kind of savor the pieces of meat, pieces of fish. I'm already salivating. Pieces of fish and all the items used in cooking the soup, ofen sala soup. Okay, the insala usually, the word insala refers to is the watery nature of the soup. Very delicious. Anambra indigenes don't joke with such soup. Believe me, it's very popular. Even non-Igbos savor it as well. Okay. Now, the other one is ofokazi. Ofokazi is another kind of soup. Almost everybody, even non-Igbos, savor that kind of soup. very delicious. It's cooked with a leaf or leaves called okazi that are plucked from the bush. But these days, you understand, you have non-organic, the ones we grow at homes, because there's a high demand of that okazi soup. So if you should allow the dependency on the okazi leaves, to fall on the ones we get from the bush, then it won't be enough. So that's why a lot of people have planted the okazi leaves at their respective homes. Now they supply these leaves in great quantities, commercial quantities, to people who buy them, to process them for final consumption. Okay, the other one is oha or ora. Oha soup is another popular soup. I've told you about okazi soup now. Understand the other time I will talk about when next we meet. I'll talk about the condiments that I use for the okazi soup. Okay, now this oha soup, a lot of people, some of which are non-Igbos, have begun to love this soup. It's a part of it's some leaves at their body stage. You find them mostly in the hinterlands, in the Igbo lands, where they are harvested and used. They are plucked with the hands and the fingers that are used to cook soup. So those soup is called, some soups are called ofe oha or ofe ora, as some people in Anambra State choose to call it. It's the same thing, either ora or oha. Both of them are accepted. Both of them mean the same thing. Okay, now we talk about ofe akwu. Ofe akwu is nothing but a kind of so it looks like soup. Some people usually also use it to eat. They use scent leaves, basil. They can only call basil. Some popularly known as scent leaves are used. Also, then that is processed from fresh palm fruits cooked and pounded. Once they're pounded, the fallout or the liquid that come out, the liquids are now used to prepare the soup. You understand? So now you call it, instead of using, you don't add oil. Red oil is no longer added. So what you use instead of red oil is that the thick liquid or liquids that come from that palm fruits. That's what you use in preparing ofe akwu. You can use it for rice, and it's so delicious, so tasty. I'm beginning to salivate when I'm talking about all this. This one thing I try to resist, but I just can't do it. All right, guys. So the other one is ofe ogba or ofe opaka. Ofe ogba or ofe opaka is prepared with a kind of just the opaka, the oil bean. You have so much oil beans. You use it after it's been processed and look in the shape of being prepared in such a form that it's called African salad. In such a form, then you can use that now to cook soup. So you don't put so much ingredients there because the opaka almost takes over every other thing, and so that you add the leaves and all that, then opaka soup is ready for consumption. All right, then the other one, ofe owere. Ofe owere is very expensive. Oh, sorry, ofe igu. You just get the igu, the caterpillar, the edible caterpillar, not just all kind of caterpillars. So the edible caterpillar is used to prepare it. Then after which, but most of the thing inside there is the igu, then the caterpillar. Then it's ready for consumption. Then ofe owere, you will find a lot of things: fish, stockfish, dry fish, all assorted leaves, ogo, vegetable, and so many other things are used to prepare ofe owere. That's why it's very expensive when you eat in one of the restaurants. It's all right, guys. When next we meet, we'll talk about the thickeners. Which particular thickener suits which particular soup. Okay, guys. All right. When we meet, we'll talk about other things. Bye-bye. Have a good night rest, my people.